You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to clear all app data and cache on your iPhone. The iPhone does not have a clear all button for cache. You must manage apps individually. First, clear the Safari cache. Go to Settings, scroll to Safari, then tap Clear History and Website Data. Confirm. For other apps, offload them. Go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage. Select an app, tap Offload App. This deletes the app's temporary files but keeps its documents and data. You can then tap Reinstall App to delete all data, including login info. Tap Delete App instead. This removes the app and all its data. Reinstall from the App Store. For a more nuclear option, go to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then reset all settings. This resets network, privacy, and system settings but does not delete app data. To truly clear all app data, you must delete and reinstall each app or erase the entire phone via Erase All Content and Settings. Always back up to iCloud before major resets. For more simple iPhone storage tutorials, subscribe to the channel.